What's up, crypto fam? Are you tired of being left behind in the digital gold rush that is crypto? Want to build a strong crypto portfolio but worried about dropping an absolute fortune in the crypto space and the portfolio that you build not going as intended? This video is for you. Join me right now as we build a killer crypto portfolio from scratch. We're talking about small investments, regularly dollar cost averaging into the crypto market once a week, strategic picks. I'm going to go through my thoughts and reasonings as to why I'm picking what I'm picking in the crypto space and the kind of financial freedom that only crypto can bring. Got a question about the market, different coins, or where to start? Join us in the free Discord or leave a comment down below. We're deep diving, answering everything about building a crypto future you control. Let's go. And don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and the notification bell for more crypto content that you have to bank on. Let's get to it. Okay, so we're going to start here on coin market cap. The total market cap of crypto globally is now at $2.36 trillion, down 0.77% at the time of recording. Bitcoin is at 64,229.73, down 0.65% at the time of recording. Obviously, Ethereum's bounced back immensely with the talk of the spot ETF for Ethereum. But yeah, look, it's a really interesting market. But what I do want to highlight is something that I have been forecasting for over, I don't know, 15, 16 months now. And that is that we will get a Fed pivot in Q3 2024. And this will lead to a crash in stocks and crypto. So I'm expecting this at the earliest to happen in September. And look, we're starting to see the stock market, have huge sell-offs. This is as anticipated. People are going to have a good summer, so I expect August to be good. But I do expect a Fed pivot. This is basically people running out of money, having to sell their investments. This is everything I've been talking about. And look, I think we've been bang on the money. If it's not Q3, it's going to be very early Q4, in my opinion. You can let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comments below. But I did just want to highlight that before we got into the crypto portfolio. I think it's really important that we understand where we are and what we should be expecting. So we're expecting some good opportunities to buy and fill up in our crypto portfolio that is just starting to really take hold now. And this is the portfolio. It's at $1,093. What I will say is the last time we caught up, the portfolio was about 17% down, and we were dollar cost averaging, and it's all paid off just like I said it would in those videos. We're down just 1.5% at the time of recording with the pullback that we're seeing as this video is being recorded. We're down $16.70, and look, another dollar cost averaging into the market on this pullback will do us proud. Again, not too concerned. I've added in 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗓, which was a OTC discounted offering through the cheeky crypto entity Secret Crypto Club. If you want to find out more about that and take part in discounted OTC offers, seed rounds, pre-seed rounds, private sales, that sort of stuff, equity plays, you do need to become a Secret Crypto NFT holder. Links and everything are in the description of this video. I do encourage people to join. It's a fantastic way to make some tremendous gains in the crypto space. But obviously, with all that said, it is a very risky play investing in anything, whether it's stocks or crypto. You do risk losing all of your money, and obviously with crypto currency being very, very early, it's not as regulated, it's not as robust, there's not as much history behind it, and there's lots of scams. So just make sure that you're doing your own due diligence. Don't take what I say or anyone else says as gospel truth. Always do your research, and very, very important. And I wouldn't be right if I didn't say that on these videos. Okay, so we want to look at what we could potentially be looking at purchasing. The first one is 𝗕𝗀𝗀𝗪𝗔𝗥𝗡. It's down 5.22% at the time of recording. I still think this one's going to do really, really well, although it's an older L2. My thoughts and opinions on the crypto market is we will eventually start to see consolidation, a bit like what we're seeing with 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗔𝗥𝗡, Fetch AI, and Ocean. They're all merging into one. I think we're going to get that with layer ones, layer twos. And look, I think that 𝗕𝗀𝗀𝗪𝗔𝗥𝗡 is right up there. Like, they've got the brand, they've got the market share. Yeah, there are some others coming into the space that are eating into it, but I do expect there to be some consolidation. So you might not pick a winner, is kind of the point that I'm making, and still do really well when you're investing in some of these projects. So just be mindful of that. Expect some consolidation over a period of time, but 𝗕𝗀𝗀𝗪𝗔𝗥𝗡 is one that we're going to increase our position in. As we can see, if we look at the portfolio, it's down 5.29%. Again, I just want to add a little bit more into this one. Now, the other one that I want to look at is Chainlink. Anybody that's close to me understands that we've been ahead of all of these trends. There's nobody that has done a better job than us when it comes to the trends in crypto and what to be ahead of. Back in 2019, we were talking about artificial intelligence and machine learning and how it was going to be huge. We've seen that, and we've seen that trend start to take hold, not just in crypto, but just generally, right? And we were talking about that back in 2019. Now, going back to 2020, we were talking about the tokenization of real world assets and everything being tokenized, right? Now, Chainlink, oracles, we haven't got any exposure to this, but we need to have exposure in our portfolio, in my opinion. If you're going to tokenize real world assets, commodities, property, whatever it might be, you're going to need oracles for on and off chain data. Chainlink is revolutionizing tokenization of real world assets in the digital asset sandbox. They're going to literally lead the space. There is nobody better, in my opinion. So Chainlink is right up there. Now, the CEO, the founder, the creator of Chainlink says real-world assets are the next big trend in blockchain. Obviously, BlackRock's Larry Fink has also come out and said this. So we want to be getting ahead of it. I've obviously already ahead of it. We've been talking about it for a long time. But when it comes to building this portfolio, we've got to have exposure to Chainlink. You can't be missing out, and you cannot be sleeping on Chainlink. Regardless of what people say. Chainlink down 1.33% at the time of recording at $13.60. Obviously, I was getting it much cheaper in the bear market, and that is why it's really important to stay around in the bear market. You don't want to be missing out on opportunities, and you've got to listen, and you've got to be in the free Discord at a bare minimum to be kept up to date and informed about what is actually going to happen in this crypto space. I will say it again, there is nobody better than us when it comes to historically picking trends and being way ahead, not just like a few weeks or a few months, years ahead of trends. We are here for the long term. We're here to build generational level wealth. And if we're going to do that, we need to understand where the market is going. And there's been nobody better than us. We've called pretty much everything accurately and more accurate than the vast majority of others out there. And I stand by that. And anybody can come to me and basically tell me I'm wrong if they truly believe that and they can back it up with any actual evidence. But look, let's have a look at Chainlink. It's on the way down. We're looking to buy some. We're going to put 50% of what we've got into Chainlink, which at the moment, what have we actually got in? Let's actually have a look at how much we got USDT wise in the account. Let's have a look. USDT. So we've got $67.37 to invest. Like I say, we're not investing huge sums of money, right? So we're going to go 50% of that into Chainlink. We're just going to buy at market price. So there we go. And the second we're buying, as mentioned earlier, is 𝗕𝗀𝗀𝗪𝗔𝗥𝗡. Just go the 100%. I don't know what's going on here. The 100%. There we go, 100% of that would buy Polygon Matic. So we go down the order history here. We can see that we've bought this amount of Matic. Let's get that added to the portfolio now. Do it live. There can be no misunderstandings then, can there? I really want to kind of just be very transparent about what we're doing here. So we're just going to buy it. I'm not going to be really over analyze the current prices. And then the other one that we bought was Link. So I put Chainlink in there. If we go back here, where is it? This one. And see if we can actually get Chainlink. Too many orders. Is there a way that I can move this up? This is going to be frustrating, isn't it? There we go. Link. And again, this is just a really small portfolio, right? Like I want to invest small amounts, 2.47, but 2.47 for whatever reason it's not willing to copy it across. 9595. There we go. So we'll put that in there. Awesome. So we have got now Chainlink in the portfolio, very small position in that. We're going to start to increase that, right? If we do get the Ethereum spot ETF go live, we're probably going to leave the investment there and wait for the Fed pivot and a crash. When it comes to Solana, we're probably going to add more because we expect a Solana ETF. We're probably going to add XRP as well at some point. Chainlink, again, real world assets is going to be a really big narrative that a lot of people aren't recognizing just yet. And they probably won't recognize the importance of Chainlink. So we're going to start to build up a really good position in those projects. Let me know your thoughts, your opinions. What would you add to this portfolio? Really interested to get your views and opinions. Do let me know in the comments below what you want to see more of when it comes to these video series. Do you want me to go into way more detail, or do you want me to scale it back and just do these videos a little bit quicker? Let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comments below, and join me, have more meaningful conversations in the Cheeky Crypto Discord, link in the description down below, free to join. And don't forget to watch Cheeky Crypto channel as well. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll catch you in the next one.